Yeah, back in uniform. I wasn't wearing a plaid shirt yesterday, so I guess everybody thought I wasn't a real engineer, but I'm back in my engineer garbs. So today, I was caught by the news. It says we're going to have water shortages again in Alberta, BC, Saskatchewan, etc., which everybody kind of seen coming for a while. It goes in cycles, and it's been getting drier. And of course, nobody's done anything about it, so kind of we have to. Now they're talking about in Calgary putting restrictions on business because that'll help. So, what businesses will have to do is make a choice. Yes, you can reduce the amount of water you use to a certain extent, like not leaving taps running, etc. That'll help a little, but not a lot. You can not run your business, which is that's not an option for most. Shouldn't be an option. So what's left is some form of water recycle. Now, the beautiful part is most people's water requirements for business is non-potable water. That's important because that changes how much filtration, etc., and how much quality control is required on that water, which means you can recycle it a lot cheaper than if you had to reproduce the potable water that's coming out of your taps. So, yes, it's not the best way to go. The best way to go would have been for the government to have seen it coming in advance like the rest of the world did and done something to increase the reservoirs, etc. But they can't think past the tip of their nose, it seems. Any government. So that leaves it to us business guys. So, what are we going to do? Water recycling. And for you businesses that are all kind of conglomerated around a certain area, like all on the same street or all in the same block, you can look at the economies of scale and kind of get together and say, you know what, we all need a certain amount of water to be recycled. This is what water is. Let's get somebody to come along and build one small recycling unit for everybody because that'll be cheaper than building 10 separate recycling units that are smaller. So think about that. Calgary, who's now getting the short end of that stick. Water recycling does not have to be quite as intricate and expensive as you first envisioned, because the water that you have to recycle, most of it will not be potable water.